And now let's implement the new value for the box sizing CSS property that we learned in the previous exercise. So the exercise is called the new box model. Now that you know about the new box model, let's actually implement it in the browser. It's that simple. In the example above, the universal selector targets all elements on the web page and sets their box model to the border box model. So to the border box value. In style.css, so style.css file, change the box model for all elements on the web page to the new box model. So let's write the selector for every elements on the page and set its box sizing property to border box. You probably didn't see a difference in the web page to the right. That's okay. The new box model simply makes sure that dimensions of elements remains the same regardless of border width and padding. And let's save and update our code so we can update the page on the right. And yes, nothing changed. Everything is the same as before, and it is supposed to be like that. Okay. So in this exercise, we implemented box sizing border box that we learned about in the previous exercise. And now let's continue to the next video.